Greetings. If you want to use the Retention Center to track student progress, then consider customizing the layout to edit current rules, add a new rule, and move a rule to a different location on the Retention Center page. To make these changes, go to the Retention Center page and select Customize. You'll then see on the Customize page all the current rules listed by their name, type, and criteria that must be met before you receive an alert for a student. To edit any of these Retention Center rules, move your mouse to the rule's name so you can prompt its drop-down button to appear and select Edit. Once you select Edit, you can then change the rule's name, its location, by changing it from Yes, Include the risk table to No, and the rule criteria. By default, this rule sends out an alert when a student's activities are 20% below average. I'm going to go ahead and change this to 10%. Now, to save the changes, I select Submit. eLearning then confirms that the default activity rule has been updated and has been edited. And when I go back to the Retention Center by selecting the Retention Center breadcrumb link, the default activity alert no longer appears in the activity alert column, and instead appears on the right of the risk table. To add a new rule, go back to Customize, select Create Rule, and make a choice from the drop-down menu. Note that you can only create a new rule based on these 4 choices. In this example, I'm going to select the missed deadline rule. I'll then enter a new name, keep the new rule inside of the risk table, and then define the alert and rule criteria. By default, you can see all the course deadlines being monitored, but I can also monitor a specific deadline. And when I select Monitor a specific deadline, I get to choose an item. I'll select Paper Test and cite that I want an alert to appear when more than a day has passed. I'll go ahead and select Submit, and now my new rule appears at the bottom of the list. Scrolling back and selecting the Retention Center breadcrumbs, because I chose to keep the missing assignment alert in the risk table, I'll need to go to the Missed Deadlines column, select the student's missed deadline to see the alert appear on the risk table page. Note that I can also see the missed deadline when I click on the student's name to prompt the student's retention status page to appear. If you want to review the Retention Center's layout, you can watch our first video, Accessing the Retention Center. Consider scheduling training or email us with elearning@utdallas.edu.